Obinwanne, why you do me so, Chineke? You be my sister, my own. Obinwanne, I trust you well. I carry you, come my house, give you love. I treat you like blood. When you're my, open my door. Everything I get, I share with you. But you turn around, betray me. Now not painful, my heart. I know, see, I'm coming. I'm a nigga, memo to her. Best way I call my own, now him break me into pieces. Obinwanne, why you fight me like enemy? Obinwanne, you scatter my family. You carry my joy, go far away. Me can do mburumbu. Obinwanne, this pain too much for me. My own husband join body with you where I trust before. Them no even hide them bring shame come my door. He follow you like say na you be queen, forget say na me build am. Even in family turn against me, them forget say na me defeat them. I'm a onye nazulo when I stop to provide, everything come clear. Eziokwu putala ye, now them don't see, say na me be the strength. Obinwanne, why you do me this kind thing? Obinwanne, you wound me deep within, but I no go fall, I no go break. Chuku dey see everything. Obinwanne, my power go rise again. Now my children be my life, them be reason I still stand. Even when war in my house, I go fight with my last strength. I no send anybody again. Kako ihe achoro, for the sake of my pikin. I go rise, I no go fall. Obinwanne, gini ka mere gị? Ịhụnanya bụ eziokwu. Mitugharịrị ya bụrụ ọga. Chukwu biko lee m anya. Obinwanne, you try to bring me down. Obinwanne, but I still wear my crown. All the tears where I cry turn to strength inside me. Obinwanne, you know fi finish me. Obinwanne, Obinwanne, Udo Gabiozo. Obinwanne, for my children. Obinwanne, I go stand till the end.